How to make money with Temu affiliate program. Hi guys and welcome in this video where I'll talk about Temu affiliate program and how to earn money from it. For people who don't know what Temu affiliate program is, it's a digital marketplace designed to connect sellers and buyers, offering various opportunities for individual and business to earn income. Whether you are looking to sell physical products, digital goods, or services, Temu provides tools and resources necessary to help you succeed. So to more understand, first step you need to do is open your browser and dive into temu.com. As you can see, this is the website and we have here a various products. You can select your favorite product if you want. Then if you want to affiliate partner, all you have just to scroll down and click over here, affiliate and influencer earn commission. This is the home page. You can get started, but before you scroll down to know important information and notes. Like here we have how to start with the Temu affiliate program. You can just join, share and earn. Then we have some questions like what is Temu affiliate program and how does it work? What is Temu? Does Temu run any referral or affiliate program? How do I qualify for this program? How do I sign up? How does the Temu affiliate program work? How do I earn in the Temu affiliate program? How long does it take before I can withdraw the commission? All you have to do is click over here and you get your answer. Sign up, all you have to do is click over here, join now, and write your email or phone number. Then you click over here, continue. You can also choose Google or Facebook or App Store or other options. And after your inscription, if people come to your link and they click on your link, first of all, you will get commission whatever they buy, but they will get $100. So it's good for us and beginners that we can tell people you click on my link and you get $100. So that's very helpful to attract people first. Also, you can win a competition, you can get bonuses. So all you have to do, join, share and earn. Let's know some ways to earn money on Temu. First, we have selling physical products. List and sell items such as handmade, crafts, apparel, electronics, or home goods. Source products from suppliers or create your own to sell. Secondly, we have offering digital products. Sell digital goods like ebooks, software, online courses, or digital art. Digital products have the advantages of no shipping costs and instant delivery. Then we have providing services, offer freelances services such as graphic design, writing, consulting, or virtual assistance. Create detailed service lessons with clear pricing and delivery times. Then we have affiliate marketing, promote other sellers' products and earn commissions and sales generated through your referral links. It allows social media, blogs, or email marketing to reach a broader audience. Then we have drop shipping. Set up a shipping businesses where you sell products without holding inventory. When you make a sale, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer, allowing you to focus on marketing and sales. Here we have some examples for each way to earn money on Temu. First, we have some physical products, example handmade jewelry. For production, we have handcrafted bracelets, necklaces, and earrings. For description, we have detailed descriptions highlighting materials, craftsmanship, and unique design. Image, we have high quality photos showing different angles and models wearing the jewelry. For pricing, we have competitive pricing based on material cost, time invested, and market demand. Offering digital products, example, we have online courses, courses on graphic design, coding, or personal development. For description, we have course syllabus, learning objectives, and benefits for students. For delivery, we have digital downloads or access draw, a learning management system. For pricing, we have one-time, free or subscription based access to course materials. Then we have providing service. Example, we have freelance writing. About service, we have content writing for blog, websites, and marketing materials. For description, we have clear explanation of services, including topics covered, word count, and turnaround time. For pricing, we have per word or per project basis with options for bulk orders or long-term attract. Then we have affiliate marketing. Example, we have teach gadgets. For products, we have promote smartphones, laptops, or accessories from other sellers. For method, we have share affiliate links on a teach blog, YouTube channel, or social media. For commission, earn a percentage of sales may draw your referral links, content. We have write reviews, unboxings, or how-to guides to attract potential buyers. The last one we have drop shipping. Example, we have home decor. About products, we have 20 home decor items like wall art, rugs, or lighting. About supplier, we have partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping. Storefront, we have create a branding online store showcasing the product. About marketing, we have use social media ads, influencer partnerships, and SEO to drive traffic to your store. About customer service, we have handle customer inquiries and manage orders while suppliers fulfill them. So making money on Temu is a valuable opportunity for anyone willing to invest time and effort into their online business. By following these steps and leveraging Temu's feature, you can build a successful venture whether you are selling products, services, or promoting affiliate offers. Temu provides the tools and support needed to turn your entrepreneurial aspiration into reality. So this is for this video, guys, and I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.